Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to split screen in Asphalt 9. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, launch Asphalt 9, also known as Asphalt Legends, and open the multiplayer section from the main menu. If your version of the game supports local split-screen multiplayer, you'll find a split-screen option in this menu. This feature is available on the PC version and is also supported on the Nintendo Switch. However, availability may vary on other platforms. Once you select split screen, you'll be taken to the multiplayer lobby. This is where everyone who wants to join the session can connect their controllers. Each player simply needs to press the required button on their controller to join the lobby. If you're playing on a PC, keep in mind that every additional player must use a controller. Secondary players cannot join using another keyboard, so make sure enough controllers are connected before starting the race. After all players have joined the lobby, adjust the race settings if needed, then start the match. The game will launch in split screen mode, allowing everyone to race together on the same screen. And that's it. So that's basically how you can split screen Asphalt 9. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.